Welcome to the TopPick lab. The best spa foot is probably one of the most sought-after items for anyone looking to bring the ultimate relaxation and rejuvenation experience right into their own homes, offering a luxurious escape from the daily grind and a pathway to unparalleled foot comfort and well-being, making it an essential addition to any self-care routine for those who prioritize pampering and therapeutic benefits. Number 5. Lee Beauty 8-ounce Professional Gel Callus Remover, Pack of 2. Are you struggling with rough, dry, or cracked skin on your feet? Say goodbye to discomfort and hello to smoother, softer skin. Our powerful gel works quickly to break down dead skin and calluses. Experience a noticeable difference in just one use. This extra-strength formula is designed for tough jobs, effectively tackling even the most stubborn cracked heels and dead skin. While powerful, it's also gentle on your skin. Achieve professional-level results in the comfort of your own home. Get 2 bottles of our best-selling Callus Remover. It's the perfect solution for maintaining soft, healthy feet all year round. What we like? This gel is your secret weapon for tough skin. Its extra-strength formula works quickly to tackle cracked heels and dead skin. If you're dealing with stubborn calluses and need a powerful solution, this is the one for you. What people say. The spa foot has a powerful motor that provides a deep tissue massage. The heating function is adjustable and keeps the water at the perfect temperature. It comes with multiple attachments for different types of foot care. Number 4. Homedics Bubble Mate Foot Spa. Introducing the Bubble Mate Foot Spa, your personal oasis for tired feet. Experience ultimate relaxation with its soothing features. Feel the stress melt away as invigorating bubbles gently massage your feet. It's designed to provide a truly refreshing experience. Effortlessly control your spa experience with the convenient toe touch feature. Adjust settings with just a simple touch of your toe. Discover a deeper level of comfort with the raised massage nodes. They are strategically placed to target pressure points for maximum relief. Enjoy a mess-free experience thanks to its smart splash-proof design. It keeps the water contained, so you can relax without worry. Take your pampering to the next level with the included removable pumice stone. It helps to soften rough skin for smoother feet. What we like? Experience ultimate relaxation with this foot spa. The invigorating bubbles and toe touch control make pampering your feet effortless. If you love a good bubbly soak and want easy operation, this is perfect for a soothing at-home spa day. What people say. The foot spa has a very good heating function. It can keep the water warm for a long time. The massage rollers are effective and provide a relaxing foot massage experience. It has a bubble function that adds to the spa-like feel and helps to soothe tired feet. Number 3. Extra Strength Foot Callus Remover Gel. Are you struggling with thick, uncomfortable calluses on your feet? Our extra strength gel is designed to tackle even the toughest ones, bringing you relief and smoother skin. Achieve a professional pedicure experience right in the comfort of your home. This powerful formula works effectively to soften and remove dead skin, revealing healthier-looking feet. Experience the perfect balance of strength and gentleness. It penetrates deeply to break down calluses without causing irritation, making foot care a pleasant experience. Simply apply the gel to the affected areas and let it work its magic. It's an effortless way to maintain soft, smooth, and beautiful feet with regular use. Elevate your foot care routine with this essential spa treatment. It's the perfect addition to your self-care regimen for ultimate foot rejuvenation and comfort. Say goodbye to rough patches and hello to silky smooth skin. This gel is your secret weapon for achieving the soft, comfortable feet you deserve. What we like? Achieve salon-smooth feet with this powerful gel. It's an extra-strength formula designed to remove tough calluses effectively. If you're looking for a comprehensive solution to exfoliate and soften your feet at home, this kit is a great choice. What people say. Softens tough calluses quickly and makes them easy to remove without a ton of effort. You can actually see the difference after one use. The Callus Remover Gel did a great job softening everything, and it fully removed my calluses. The foot file ended up being super easy to handle and worked great without being too harsh. My feet felt noticeably smoother after just one use. This stuff is amazing. All calluses are now gone. This stuff is awesome. Number 2. RENPHO Upgraded Foot Massager with Heat. Introducing the upgraded RENPHO Foot Massager, designed for unparalleled relaxation. It's the perfect way to unwind after a long day. Enjoy the benefits of soothing heat therapy that penetrates deep into your muscles. This feature helps to ease tension and improve circulation. Specifically designed to provide relief for conditions like plantar fasciitis. Its targeted massage action soothes aching arches and heels. Control your massage experience with ease using the convenient cordless remote. Adjust settings without ever having to reach for the device. Show your appreciation with a gift that truly cares. It's an ideal present for Mother's Day or any occasion to pamper your mom. This massager is eligible for FSA and HSA spending. Invest in your well-being and take advantage of these convenient benefits. What we like. Indulge in a deep, therapeutic foot massage. The shiatsu rollers and soothing heat work together to relieve tension and pain. If you suffer from plantar fasciitis or simply want to unwind after a long day, this massager offers targeted relief and convenience. What people say. This unit has 2 sets of shiatsu rollers, one at the front 1/3 of the foot, and another in the middle 1/3. There are no shiatsu rollers in the back, just what they call a tapper. There are pressure air bags completely surrounding the foot on the sides, and one on the top front. The unit is heated. It takes a while to reach full temperature, but when it does, it gets very hot. The air pressure is very strong at the highest setting. Number 1. 36-in-1 Pedicure Kit. Introducing our comprehensive 36-in-1 Pedicure Kit. It's designed to provide professional-level foot care right in your home or salon. This kit includes a variety of professional tools to address all your foot care needs. Achieve salon-quality results with ease. Easily remove rough and dead skin with our specialized foot rasps. Reveal smoother, softer skin with every use. Whether you're pampering yourself at home or providing services in a salon, this kit is your perfect companion. It offers versatility for any setting. Invest in your foot health and beauty. This all-in-one solution helps you maintain healthy, beautiful feet all year round. What we like. Get a complete pedicure experience with this extensive kit. It includes everything you need for professional foot care at home or in a salon. If you want a versatile set that covers all your exfoliation and grooming needs, this comprehensive collection is ideal. What people say. Provides almost everything you need for an at-home manicure or pedicure. Works well, and is lightweight. It also has a bunch of files I stored away separately and a clear container where everything fits in. It came with so many tools I've been hoping to try, and they all came individually packaged, which I love. All the tools are really easy to clean after using. The look is beautiful, the quality, and easy to use and clean is great. This kit has everything to make it comfortable for you to use while at home. It really does work well. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.